Hello, everyone, and welcome to Johnny Walk. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Da Nang, Vietnam, to explore one of its most authentic and chaotic local markets, Chợ Cổ, or Con Market. This isn't just a place to shop, it's a living, breathing part of the city. My goal with this video is to give you the real, unfiltered experience. We're going to navigate the narrow alleys, which are still wet from the morning rain, and see daily life happen right in front of us. In this walk, you will see everything from fresh produce and meat vendors setting up on the street to stalls selling traditional crafts and even herbal medicine. We'll pass by food vendors cooking up delicious smelling snacks like crispy, roasted pork. This video is a silent walking tour, so there's no narration from me. This is so you can hear the real ambient sounds of the market. However, I have created subtitles with interesting information and facts about what you're seeing. So if you want the full story, please make sure to turn on the captions or subtitles for this video. If you enjoy this kind of immersive travel experience, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Johnny Walk channel. It really helps a lot. All right, let's begin. I hope you enjoy the walk through Con Market.
Đi đâu? Hello, xin chào.
Xin chào. bự tí à.
Không dùng được đâu em, khách không được dùng. Đâu, con chê. Bán người là không thôi. Bán người là không lấy khách lịch. Chiếc là nãy hỏi thứ hai mà người thân mà.